An empty spherical flask of diameter 15 centimeter is placed in water of refractive index 4/3. A parallel beam of light strikes the flask. Where does it get focused when observed from within the flask? Okay, now try imagining the figure. So try to write the figure. You are keeping a flask inside the water. A beam of light is coming and hitting the flask. So try to imagine the figure, which formula you have to use, and then solve the problem. So let's see how the problem goes. See, we have a flask which is kept inside the water, correct? See, this is how it looks like. Now what we have, see, we have a parallel beam of light coming. Now what we know for sure is that it will diverge because the light ray is traveling from denser to rarer medium, correct? So the light will diverge. So we have the image which is formed at this particular point. You guys can see that point I, right? This is where the images will be formed, or the image will be formed. Now what we have here, see, important thing is the light ray is coming from infinity, correct? Because whenever we have parallel beam of light coming, we take the object is placed at infinity. So what we have is, we have the value of u to be infinity, right? But Cartesian sign comes, so we have negative infinity as well. Next, another important thing is the radius of curvature here. See, here the radius of curvature has to be taken positive, because if you look at the figure, look at the center of curvature and the pole. So the r value becomes positive, correct? Because we are going in the direction of light, because we have to take PC. PC is r, which is in the direction of light, so it is positive, correct? So we got to know how the figure looks like and what are the sign conventions we have to take, right? So let's apply the formula. The formula is minus mu divided by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 minus mu divided by r. Now why we are taking this formula? Because the incident ray travels in denser medium, correct? Alright, now what was the value of u? Negative infinity. R is plus 15 by 2 because the diameter is 15, and the value of refractive index is 4/3. So if you apply that, minus 4/3 by minus infinity plus 1 by v is equal to 1 minus 4/3 divided by 15 by 2. Right? So if you solve this, we will have v is equal to minus 45 by 2, which is minus 22.5 centimeter. Now here v value is negative, correct? So as v is negative, the image will be formed on the same side that of the object. Okay, so that is the reason why I is present in the denser medium, because even the object is also in the denser medium, the image will also be in the denser medium. This is the reason why v is negative. Okay, so here whatever we have done, we have taken a flask and the light ray from the denser to rarer medium, and we got the image to be formed in the denser medium itself. The distance was 22.5 centimeters. Okay, this is how the problem goes.